So this is the Sony EX255 AP, and a lot of you have been requesting me to review these earphones, so I ordered this black color. And this is actually not a perfect black or a true black. I would rather call it a dark gray combined with black, and the black part is actually the center rubber part which you are looking at. If you will have a look at both these earpieces, you will find that Sony branding has been done in very small and crisp letters, and also both these earpieces are distinctly marked for left and right earpiece with white and red respectively. The earphones are really very beautiful to look at. These are small, compact and have a lightweight design, and overall speaking they definitely look very premium in terms of build quality. The earphones come with an inline microphone which is attached to the left earpiece, and the button on the microphone can be used to end and receive calls. And if you are in any music player application, then you can single click to play and pause a song, double click to next track, and to back to the previous track. The earphones also come with this kind of a cable managing ring which can be used to prevent cables from getting tangled, and also you get that branding right from where the two cables are dividing. It's clearly written EX255 AP. And then at last you get a 3.5mm gold plated jack. The cable provided here is a rounded cable, so you will come across some kind of tangling issues as these earphones get old, but as of now they are new, so I don't come across any tangling issues. Apart from that, if I talk about the cable quality, so believe me, this is one of the most durable material that I have come across. In fact, Sony does not compromise anywhere in the cable quality, whether you buy 800 rupees 155 AP or you buy 2000 rupees XB55 AP. The quality of cable remains same in all the earphones. So this is the Sony EX155 AP, and if you compare them with 255 AP, then you will notice that 255 are a little bit bigger size because they contain 12mm drivers, while 155 are smaller because they have 9mm drivers. Apart from that, if you will look for both these earphones on Amazon, you will find that they are showing same kind of photos because the EX series earphones are all the same. It's just the difference in driver size, and when you actually hold these earphones practically, then only you will notice the size difference when you are comparing them with each other. Apart from that, if I compare 255 AP with XB55, which is the extra bass earphone, then you will notice that although both these earphones have same 12mm drivers, but still XB55 are more big as compared to 255. I'll be comparing all these three earphones in a short while, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. And now comes the sound test. So in my previous videos, a lot of you have actually requested me to include a sound test because many of you want to use the earphones for audio recording and as a substitute for a dedicated microphone. So this is how the audio is gonna sound if your microphone is very close to the mouth, and this is how the audio is gonna sound if the microphone is at a distance of around 1 feet from your mouth. Apart from that, I am intentionally keeping the fan in my room on so that it creates some kind of ambient noise, and you can figure out what is the kind of noise isolation or noise cancellation. So I hope you got the idea. So now comes the important part, which is the audio quality. So these earphones have an excellent audio for the price, and the balance between treble, midtones and bass is quite good. I didn't notice any kind of suppression in any of the frequencies. Apart from that, something I noticed during my testing is that these earphones are too good for watching movies. I mean, the separation between the dialogue and background is just too clear, and dialogues are really very neat and clean. Whether you watch YouTube videos or watch movies, you will just love the sound coming out of these earphones. Next important thing is the stereo effect. Now, stereo effect means that you are getting different kind of sounds from different directions, and these are like one of the exceptional earphones that I have tested that have a very good stereo, and for that reason I definitely recommend these earphones for all those of you who are playing PUBG, because in that case you won't be missing any kind of footsteps coming from either direction. During my testing, I also felt that there isn't any kind of sound in the audible audio spectrum that these earphones fail to produce, and these are a serious upgrade to the EX155 AP, whether it is in terms of bass, treble and the overall audio quality. But if I compare them with XB55 AP, then these are slightly on a downside because these are the earphones which are meant for bass. A lot of you were actually requesting me to suggest some earphones, and I was actually suggesting XB55 to a lot of people, but as these have a bigger size, so a lot of people actually don't want that. So this is a perfect substitute for that. As I already said, I'll do a comparison video between all of these, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. And this was all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.